a beautiful gift from God. His jealous brothers thrown him into a well, rescued by a merchant who hears cries for help. He is taken by him to be sold in a slave market in Egypt. He lived up to 120 years. Ayub alayhi salam. Ayub alayhi salam, their mother is the daughter of Lut alayhi salam. Finally, he is known as the symbol of a wealthy, patient person. He lived up to 93 years. Shuaib alayhi salam, their mother is the daughter of Lut alayhi salam. Shuaib alayhi salam has thousands of goats and sheep. Musa alayhi salam, according to the Quran, Musa alayhi salam was born to an Israelite family. In his childhood, he was put in a basket which flows towards night, and eventually Musa alayhi salam is discovered by Pharaoh's wife Asya alayhi salam, who takes Musa alayhi salam as her adopted son, and this is the reason of Pharaoh's end. His followers are called Jewish. He lived up to 120 years. Harun alayhi salam, he was born in Egypt during the time of Pharaoh, who was tyrant and oppressor of the children of Israel. Allah chose Harun alayhi salam as a prophet to assist Musa alayhi salam in his mission to lead the Israelites out to Egypt and guide them to the promised land. He lived up to 122 years. Zulkifl alayhi salam, he is the son of Ayub alayhi salam. Some sources say that he was buried on the island of the Prophet in Amu Darya, near Tabriz, Uzbekistan. He lived 75 years. Daud alayhi salam, the Salams were devoted to him. Daud alayhi salam is discovered the founder of blacksmithing. He made a living by making from products by his own hands. He has been lived 100 years. Sulaiman alayhi salam. Sulaiman alayhi salam is the son of Daud alayhi salam. Al-Aqsa Mosque, the demons building the castle at his command, continued not knowing that he was dead. But Sulaiman alayhi salam died. The lands were saved. He lived up to 80 years.